na o show mo achi so a ye bra penny peer pressure senior ma pa bra kwa me bia boko de e hye pa no so dan monyam e tache. We'll be speaking to them later on the show, but in the meantime yemfa futuo kakra intwem. Ofie Kwanso, Ebusia, meeting the Kwesiapia, wait me a friend with black eye. Yo, young fasted a Cassie and Farmer Dura Lube UCS Fuel. Young fasted a Cassie and Farmer Feco Spray Starch. Young fasted a Cassie and Serene Insurance. Young fasted a Cassie and AdomOnline.com. And then me be so. Me patra, what kind of mind and a wukita ewa brabum? A dream bear pa ni kutao here on earth. Because you read who say ye chiche muono the kinds of minds and I say adwin ye wo wiase me chiche mu ye nyamiensa ye wa adwin ni bia ye from small minds and ye wa adwin ni bia ye from average minds and ye wa adwin ni bia ye from great minds and unto great minds, average minds, small minds. Na wo gina miensa we mu no pa na wo gina. Yemfa issue bi to say doom so. Yemfa issue bi to say doom so. We nya politics asem kra. Okay, time doom so ba ye no. Ye wo mo no mo ko na doom so aban be na de ba and this de ba na we na de ba na we na de ba na we na de ba small minds no. Small minds o mo ko ho na we na de ba na we na de ba na we na de ba we na de ba na we de ba sa na dia chi na dia sa. Small minds we mo discuss about people and na we na de ba na we na de ba small minds. That is the kind of things they talk about. And na average mind for no so no. Hey, na wo kra wo doom so no. Me dey near so on 7 you now dey near so on time bay. Hey 6 o'clock. Hey me dey no 6:15 years so yo. Hey you do na no pa ja Charlie. And your man say for fridge mu your man say one more you cold store for bread, adwuma for bread. People are discussing, average minds are discussing events. They are discussing doom sono. Whilst great minds no omuti wa om say kai ja. And yanko China ni yanko pe generator ni yanfa mambegum. Any antinasa crowd, doom so phone trying and almost form charge ya na doom. Any uncle China, near Conco just half phone now. Chips bear sister Shimuno, near Famba Gigana for. I don't cry and Conco solar lantern, be near the Famba Gigana for. You see, when issues happen, this is how the types of minds, you see, great minds, they are talking and discussing ideas. A queen first normal dia and some don't because whilst average minds are talking about you do their time, yes, all their time, while small minds are talking about and this and people and this and people by all party a pan, I'll be near free pool. Whilst great minds are talking about Yanko China and Yanko generator said, Yan Fan Benjamin, one more day, and until these three minds, and maybe so, here now will fall in the small minds, I'm Mr. Free cry. Also fall under the average minds. I'm Mr. Free cry. Opese would year 2019. Now to me, a financially independent, have a great mind. Not discuss ideas. I'm on a bush. I'm to me the year pa ewa bravo. Now yako anymore near the aseda de ma Dura Lube UCL Fuel addictive. One more boy my car no enum fuel no so ba bete amaye. Uto 40 Ghana now chini 3 days so we use Dura Lube UCL Fuel addictive 40 Ghana we bet me chini 5 days what service can no say o the Dura Lube UCL Fuel addictive we the good car mo a clean a lubricate fuel injectors no as I restore performance Emma fuel efficiency no it to me so on point to cry and unti furniture a Excel oil filling station oh my Ghana mu have bia ubenya Dura Lube UCL Fuel addictive dino Dura Lube UCL Fuel addictive papa to from furniture General American Auto Parts our Tema Community 9 or by Motorway Junction or give them a call today on 055 948 637 055 948 637 yeah kwaya dimwe say ohomba ya fe Now while to so combination ay on pointer the way we see iron in water and also counter pa. Now iron no betumi awie pega Feco spray starch. Feco spray starch. Feco spray starch. Abo. Starch spray papa pa. Ayasa the fragrance gum to the two atade na. Well look sharp where we now feeling confident no. Na nice new scent papa bi. Open kwa we use perfume. Now all the Feco spray starch all the two adia. While tums atade ne shewa ejina hoye pa. Another quality product as Samara company for what the abadwa so ado any shop na ben wo area mu ha. Ubenya Feco spray starch bi ho etumi ato. Ghana mamu ha die. Say ye can money transfer business Ghana memo ha. One more start here the pioneers ankasa no. Ye from the Global Access Savings and Loans. Global Access Savings and Loans. Global Access Savings and Loans. Yente se obi di nisika amane from anonia benebusia for Ghana ha. Emo de fa Global Access mebusia for nsanka. Ebin si da. Ebin so si da. And until Bronya Brebe, Ebusiani Adofo Besendi will scam one from Global Access Savings and Loans. The pioneers, our money transfer business for my Ganda Muha, where Jumano so person will be a mua, Ubia, where Juma small scale person will be a mua. One Global Access for Entry Comomba Bow, and watch me grow business in a power from Amaso 0302 734 580. Behuan Krabatanibu Akra, Tema Kumasi, Aguna Swedro. Now, yeah, can Global Access, and yeah, can your partner, your choice. Me pacho accident in tea. And who be here says a kana watono, who be insure. Accident in tea, and who be here, so be insure kano. Say okanya accident da ye can insurance one semtera on shut down funny serious. Mesrao, nyamia ya wadum when you scat or car. Yusu a yes serene insurance for more package your friend motor insurance na fa cover wo car no na wo car ninya accident one betumi aboa ama osika ama so atumi agina na so bi ma car na atumi asi road so biu eno ti say your motor insurance say your marine insurance say your aviation insurance general accident insurance Mr. Wada Adina serene insurance the new phase of insurance one wadiaba oba beboan ama yensi achi ba papa bia ye betumi de ye ho atoso furniture a yellow pass N1 highway no so one ADB and AD Shedimu Sanso and Adwaniche Tema Community 25 Junction as well. Or first floor, First Sky Tower. Give them a call 0302 917 446 0302 917 446. Serene Insurance, the new face of insurance. When you make one of what's yesterday, my yede a futu at a prayer wall. 23 minutes after 4. This is Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3. That if you hire do, Mensaka hope what can see Kukudam Yunupa. It's all about high life. Bring your bed. This year, we are looking for the biggest showstopper. We are looking for the biggest music celebration. Oh my God, it's the Farmers' Day edition of the MTN Music Festival. Branabe treaty yourself. Branabe treaty wo hone wadofo with live authentic Ghanaian music. Nanato for Tuatua, Kwame Eugene Tuatua, King Promise Tuatua. Amarh Pino of a Marriott International Band or to Bedim Hayani Komo and Oba who fair a year Adina and also Ofie. Papa, yeah, for Adina, the other two one the amateur, you are not your cop rap and the amateur. Yes, that's it. Yes, that's it. Yeah. And we have the lady in the studio right here on Adom 106.3. Adina, the mic, man. Now, yeah, they have any style, freestyle, and just starting to say, you say, yeah, starting it because when music is nice, we play it twice, especially when it tastes better like sugar and spice. Let's do it one more time, Mr. DJ. Adom FM near. Voice, as well.
People they tell me say you let me for a fool.
Go Adina.
I know they hear I want you.
As well.
Be my baby boo. My tash you don't. Ode. My mama kuma bomb me boom.
chip, boom boom. As well, as well.
Mama kuma ba mi boom, call me the dum. Ade, Mama kuma ba mi boom boom chip, boom boom. Ade, Mama kuma ba mi boom, wanna me pay.
Adina,
I'm so glad you came my way. Wanna me pay.
Adina,
I go love you night and day. I go love you night and day. Yeah. I go love you. It's me jolly. Me sweetie. It's me jolly. Me sweetie. Wanna Benny.
as well.
Tum brani. Adina. Matia she would do. Ade. Mama kuma ba me boom boom check boom boom. Ade. Mama kuma ba me boom. Call me do dum. Mama kuma ba me boom boom check. Oh na na. Wanna me pay. I'm so glad you came. Wanna me pay. I go love you night and day.
I tell you.
I go love you night and day. I go love you.
Mami, me pacho nyabotre. I said, what to you know? What kata wanina? I said, it's coming from Umuangasa. Wow. Not boom boom check boom boom. No time no go for free. Who go fast? I tell me free. Boom boom check boom boom. No go for free.
When they give us the sound for Akuma, I was so much.
Okay.
The studio na I pay sound. No, I'm saying boom boom che boom boom.
And you boom boom che boom boom na. Now you have a card here. Fantastic, and you're looking good too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's do Killing Me Softly.
Okay.
Let's do that one. 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 Adina is in the studio. Right on Adom 106.3.
Adina.
As well.
You are the reason why I am still alive.
Adina.
Cause I depend on you so I can survive.
Adina.
I promise sake of you I go change my life.
Adina.
My baby wait for me, I will soon arrive. You wanna many aje.
As well. Achisa.
But I could do anything for your love.
Go now.
You wanna many aje. When you are the major.
As well.
Elma, me oh my baby, baby, you killing me softly.
I tell you.
Oh my baby,
Adina.
my baby, you killing me softly.
As well.
Oh my baby, you killing me softly.
Adina.
Oh my baby, you killing me softly. My baby don't be kululu. Don't be kululu.
Nadine Adina, beautiful lady with a beautiful voice. Mami, na MTN Music Festival in 2018, December, Yampaya Asia. Tell me something. What I need to say.
Okay, so I'm gonna say a authentic Ghanaian music. First of all, I'm very honored to be on the list of musicians.
That's right.
Many ajipa rehearsals na it's really exciting for me, and I'm happy to share the stage with amazing people like
Rapping
Pino.
Or starting sort to start now class one. That's right. So tell me, at rehearsals, and how has it been? Is it more prepare towards the big day, 7 December?
Preparations I'll go for my parts, but it's all going to be Ghanaian music.
Definitely.
The amount to be grand. And me pass it rapping to because comes to zim yeah to and the other songs that I can do just to make it beautiful and to represent high life music in grand style.
That's right.
Sana Enyambua Friday.
That's right. And our combination, or me show combination, what do you stand for? What do you believe in? Me show combination,
Well, I believe in everything authentically Ghanaian, and I believe in our heritage as Africans.
That's it.
And I'm proud of it.
Yeah, because combination, that's a block. Ghana material, and now you're mixing. Fantastic.
Miss Becky's fashion.
And then Miss Becky, you too. So Adina fans as we prepare a year for this big day, Ankasa.
Miss Remo, I'm tickets.
That's right.
Say much how to buy tickets through MTN mobile money.
Definitely.
You know, please get your tickets. Now, Mumbai and a holiday.
It's a holiday.
A weekend, a long weekend. Come on. You see, the best place to be on Friday is the Accra International Conference Center.
Definitely.
Mr. Moa.
Definitely. And Adina will be performing live on stage. And I'm I'll be performing, Papebi. So come and catch the action like mentioned. Tanafi no be mama mekancho. 100 Ghana cedis Ampaya Eja. 50 Ghana cedis regular and 100 Ghana cedis VIP. What do I need a year kukumlimle ha? Ubenya a year or ticket ewaha Adom FM yani Joy FM no the same building no afano first street. Brana also Brana be pick ticket 50 Ghana cedis for regular, 100 Ghana cedis for a year VIP. Yamra bra peniso. Au neko neba neko Adom.
Ofie Kwanso.
Ebusia, me didn't kwesi apia. Obetimi aframe me black eye. And he is performing live. Nyame Adom 7 December. Our Accra International Conference Center. His name is Amarh Pino. Uncle, you're starting there. Oh, grandma. I tell you. Oh, grandma. Maria. And he's performing this one live. Where your live performance live on stage. Nyame Adom Accra International Conference Center. Make a date and you don't be late. 7 p.m. Uncle Yantua Dufia. And Uncle Amarh Pino.
Yes,
so are you performing this one live on stage?
Oh, yes, of course.
And you're miming. And you say CD near the Ashim now. And you do mic and you are performing this one live.
Yeah.
So high life lovers. Mope live Ankasa Filia. The date is 7th December, 7 p.m. sharp at Accra International Conference Center. Let's do one of your latest. Bra Amarh Pino in the building. I tell you. We're instrumental, so we're instrumental, so yeah, original and I for two. That is I didn't pursue any problem. Never. I know they see. I know they hear. I know they see. I play the lover. I know they hear. I deaf for lover. Me don't send your tear. Me pewo send your me boara. From Sony China, you know. In a tree, me no be call. Oh, mon, quemo, me no be. I brought him, I brought him, I tell you. My brother, my family too, family food. Go for it, family. Ghana could be when your baby has a Koforidia. Tell me why Koforidia? Oh, a long an hour like old life work for you. Me shed a new life, but say Bibi Saswan can get your back. Me shed a new but could you also can your back? Most definitely. So, Namia 7 December, dear, now what catch a Ghana for you now? Yeah, me catch your own say, and me Angasa, not me missy woman. That's right. Because you might check a crime. That's right. A mom run on best opportunity now. That's right. So, no money, so no kind of life. Life. Me just send your life one come. Hey, yeah, me mommy. Yeah, mommy 10 million krona. And your life, and your life, baby. Yes, definitely. A life, and definitely. So, so money more. No, do all be our show YouTube now. For the first time, I'm much younger. Also, say this is an opportunity for him to see the way we do it live on stage. And I'm more Muslim Remedano. When we see me so much, you know, definitely. We're gonna move the stage. We're gonna move the stage so much. We'd love to see you live on stage. Fantastic. Adina, my memo 15 seconds. Now, for Kabibi, last one.
Well, please make your way to the International Conference Center. Definitely. Friday. Definitely. 9 GM. Holiday special.
Fantastic. That was Adina for you, together with Yebra Penny Amarh Pino. They are among great talents. Exhibiting on stage. 7th December. Nanato 4 Bra Penny, Bakwami Eugene, Adina, King Promise, Amarh Pino of Marriott International Band fame. So this year, if you're looking for the biggest showstopper, the biggest music celebration, it is happening at the Accra International Conference Center, 7 p.m. sharp. 50 Ghana Cedis regular, 100 Ghana Cedis VIP. Make a date and you don't be late. It's powered by Slip Entertainment and brought to you by MTN everywhere you go. Fantastic. Irrigated sports.